Hey everyone, in this video I'll be discussing about what is story point and how to create a story point using Tableau. This is one of the unique feature available in a Tableau which helps in telling story to the stakeholders. So being an analyst, you'll be doing many analysis. So in order to present all those analysis to the stakeholders, story point is the best option where you can present everything in one place so that people can understand things in a better way. So this is how the story point looks. You can see here. So every slide is telling some story, right? So in order to create the story point, the very first thing at the bottom, you have three options. One is to create a new worksheet, second one is to create a new dashboard, and third one is to create a new story. Just click on this option that is a new story. Once you get this, just fix the size. Let me just increase the width and also let me just fix the height. Well, it's done. Perfect. Once this is done, you can give a title to it. Just double click on the story and you can give whatever title you want. Let me just give the title as a story point itself. So you can just do the formatting, you can make it bold, you can increase the size, you can change the color, and also you can change the alignment. Once this is done, say OK. Alright, let me just click on just right click on this and let me see format title, and I'll just change the color of a story point. Well, I just gave a background color. Perfect. So now what I'll do, I need to drag all the analysis that I have done into the story point. So I have did region wise sales, subcategory wise profit, region wise profit, year wise sales, and also state wise profit. I want to present all these stuff in a story point. So you can see all the sheets that you have done, whatever analysis you did, everything is here. So simple thing what you have to do is, a very first thing, this is a blank thing, right? So you can drag the first sheet into this sheet and you can give a caption. So here basically we have done region wise sales analysis. So you can just give a caption like region wise sales. In order to add a second sheet, just click on blank. So let me drag a second sheet. So here I have done analysis something like subcategory wise sales. Well, similarly, let me click on blank and let me add the third sheet that basically tells about, the region wise profit. Okay, let me reduce the height. Well, so let me just give a caption like, region wise profit. Perfect. So let me add one more blank. So let me drag the fourth sheet, this is basically, year-wise sales. So this is year-wise sales. Similarly, you can create one more, click on a blank and just drag the sheet that is state-wise sales. Let me just give a caption, something like state-wise sales. Perfect. Now you can present this to the stakeholders. If they are interested in knowing in which region the profit is high or less, they can click on this particular story point. If they are interested in this, they can click on this checkbox. So based on this, they can interpret like what exactly is happening. Not just that, you can also write insights. How do you write insights inside a story point? Pretty simple, just click on this drag to add text. So just double click. In this graph, it clearly shows that West region is giving higher sales. So you can write the insights, something like insights is, so West region is giving higher sales compared to all other regions. So West region is giving higher sales compared to all other regions. So you can just do formatting with this. You can change color. You can edit. Well, perfect. Yeah, it looks good. Let's say okay. You can drag this and you can paste it here. So based on our insight, based on whatever insights you have given, people can interpret, people can understand what exactly is happening, and based on that, they can take a better decision. Like this, you can create insights for every sheet. Okay, if you don't want to see this, the checkbox is something like this, you can also modify that. Just go to our layout, you have a different navigator style. So whatever we see currently, that's a caption boxes. If you don't want a caption, if you want a numbers, just select the numbers. You can just click on 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see the changes. If you don't want the numbers, if you want the dots, you can also go with the dots. You can select or else, something like this. You can click on this. It changes. If you don't want dots, numbers, or a caption boxes, if you want to see only arrows, then just click on this arrows. Now you can click, you can navigate, and you can see the changes. This is how we create a story point and we present this to the stakeholders. They'll take a better decision about like what exactly they have to do. Hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.